Hi, I'm John with Junior Suppression Systems, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to install the lockdown suppression system for Hamskea Epsilon and Everest Style Aerorests. We're going to start with some isopropyl alcohol and a rag and clean off any oils and debris that are currently on your Aerorests. For this install, you're going to want to remove everything off your Aerorests, clean it up, make sure there's nothing on it, and most importantly, take your launcher off your rest. Makes everything a lot easier. Once it's clean, you're going to take your suppressor and take the backing off the entire suppressor. I like to hold it by the center tab and align the collar with the screw holes in the bottom of the launcher and center it with the center teardrop cutout. And if you mess it up, you can pick it up and stick it back down as many times as you need. Once we're here, we're going to fold our small tabs under and to the back of the Aerorest on both sides. It should almost come to the top, but stop just short. And then we're going to pull firmly on the center tab, not too hard, and stick down the center tab on the back stem of the Aerorest, and stopping it just short of the holes the screws pass through. Make sure it's all stuck down. And then we're going to wrap our collar around, weave it through the loop, secure everything down. All the important stuff will stay in place. Give it a good firm squeeze. And then we're going to fold the top portion over the small tabs we placed earlier, making sure we cover the tabs on both sides. Making sure everything is nice and flat on the top ridge portion, especially where your arrow is going to ride. Finally, we're going to take our needle nose and squeeze down wherever we have overlaps. So on the left and right tips at the tabs, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. And our collar. And there you have it, the Hamskea Epsilon and Everest Style Suppressor from Junior Suppression Systems.